Hello people of Minecraft. This is the Gracious Chef here. Today I shall be showing you some new updates. First thing is fireworks. You just grab yourself a fire star, a workbench, if I can find one, or a crafting table. Wow. Some paper, some gunpowder, and for fun, a creeper head and a diamond. And what you need to do, sit down, crafting table, gunpowder, fireworks star. Oh, almost forgot the dye. You need any color dye.